Within this training, you're going to learn how to apply granular filters within the assets page of Metomic. So on the assets page, you will see every single asset in which Metomic is detecting and surfacing to you. This can potentially be a little overwhelming if you have thousands, if not millions, of assets within this page. This obviously can be seen as an advantage. We actually refer this to our intelligent page because we are showing you absolutely everything for you to start to look into. But we also recognize that you need these filters to be able to delve deeper into particular assets that you actually care about. Now, we first recommend using the sort by filter. This is allowing you to sort by total detection count. Now, this is referring to Metomic's classifiers in which we're detecting. You can look at the risk rating, which is Metomic's risk rating based on the level of exposure and the type of classifier we are detecting. You can also see this signified by the different coloured dots over on the left-hand side. You can look at filter it by the asset created date or the asset updated date. You also have the option to look at this ascending or descending as well. These filters may help you kind of look at high level, but again, this training is to show you granularity. So we recommend using the filter bar at the top here. We have a number of general filters which you can use to start to refine, but we also have integration specific filters where you might want to start as well. I would recommend, first of all, looking at particular integrations. So you've got the integration filter here, and we can start to refine. So we looked at total results before were around 5,000 on my demo account. We've now refined to 1.9k. This is obviously still quite a lot. So again, we might just want to refine a little bit further, where we might look at a specific classifier. So this is allowing you to look at a Google Drive file, but also anything that is only containing a classifier and at that particular classifiers. So in my case, I've filtered to integration is Google Drive and the classifier is an email address. Now, one email address in a Google Drive document may not be risky, so you might want to look at increasing the volume of detections within that document. So now what I've done is I've filtered to, it's a Google Drive document and it must contain 100 email address detections. So we've significantly reduced our search here and we've only got 5 results to look at. This is immediately going to help us because we've now can see that potentially, okay, a Google Drive document contains 100 emails. These are all private, but here we have a risky document as it is publicly shared. So what you can do from here is you can take action on that specific one. If, let's imagine, your list was still rather large and you were looking at exposure in particular, you can add in an asset exposure filter where we then are just looking at public. And again, we'll refine down even further. So with these filters, I'm looking at it in a kind of list view. You can look at it back in that linear view, depending on how you like to work. You can also go and create save views. So if this filter is something you want to come back to or want to take reference of, you can click on the views, click save view, just enter the name of that save view, and then you will have that list to come back to at a later date. So you can see here all my other save views that I've kept here. So to recap, quick sort by views over on the right hand side, but using your filter bar with a number of preset filters in this list is going to help you really start to refine your assets. I hope that was helpful and I hope you have great success using our filters.